Step 4, we're gonna tone the eye area to get rid of the fine lines, wrinkles, and just reduce the puffiness around the eyes. So the eyes are very delicate. You don't want to do too many reps here, and always, like I said, remember you have some kind of product. So I'm actually going to put on some product to make this area a little bit more gentle for the eyes. We're going to use the tip area here. Once again, not 90, but 30-degree angle along the skin. I'm just going to go upwards. Very gentle. And this should feel really nice and cool. You can actually put the tool inside the refrigerator before you use it for the under eye area, because that usually feels nice and cool in the mornings.